Welcome back guys to another video. So today I'll be showing you on how you can configure the Zivpn settings, export them or import the settings that are already made. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first of all, you first need to download Zivpn. So let's go ahead and open our Play Store. So after opening our Play Store, let's go ahead and just search for Zivpn. So as you can see, mine is already downloaded. So let's go ahead and just minimize this and let's look for Zivpn and open it. So we first need to configure the VPN. So go ahead and click on the wheel icon on the top right corner. Go into MISC settings and click on workflow. So after clicking on workflow, go ahead and click on UDP. So you will see a scroll down menu where there is a list of servers. Go ahead and select one, then click start to connect. So there the VPN will go ahead and try to connect to the servers, but then if it's not connecting, go ahead and put it on flight mode. After putting it on flight mode, go ahead and remove it from flight mode, then go back to the application and try again. So if it's still not connecting, go back to the main menu of the application and then try another server. So after trying another server for me, you can see that after this third attempt, the VPN has started connecting. Then I'm now able to use the internet freely. So to export the settings that we have created, go ahead and click on the three dots on the upper corner, then click on save config. After clicking that, you lock the payload if you want to lock the settings so that the end user doesn't see them. Then go ahead and put the name that you want on your settings. From there, you can go ahead and select the clipboard if you want them to be saved, or file if you want them to be saved as a file. So that's it guys, thank you for coming through. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this.